Unveiling Everyday Phrases. Replace the pads. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in day-to-day conversations or instructions. Replace the pads. This might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and varies in different contexts. Stick around to uncover the nuances of this phrase and enhance your English fluency. Before we dissect the whole phrase, let's focus on the word replace. In English, replace means to take something out and put something new in its place. It carries the idea of substitution or exchange, and it's a verb that propels action. You'll often hear it in various contexts, from household tasks to professional settings. Now, let's talk about pads. This word might conjure images of notepads or shoulder pads, but its meaning is far more diverse. Pads can refer to anything from protective gear in sports, to absorbent materials in hygiene products, to parts of machinery. Understanding the context is key to deciphering exactly what kind of pads are being talked about. Home and personal care. In a domestic or personal care context, replace the pads might refer to changing the sponge pads in your kitchen, or perhaps changing sanitary pads. It signifies the importance of hygiene and regular maintenance in personal care routines. Automotive and machinery. In a more technical setting, like automotive repair, replace the pads could mean changing the brake pads on your car. This is crucial for safety and efficient vehicle operation. In industrial machines, it might refer to replacing wear pads to prevent damage and maintain the machine's performance. Technology and electronics. In the tech world, replace the pads might be related to swapping out thermal pads on a computer's CPU to ensure efficient cooling and operation. It's about upkeep and ensuring optimal performance of your gadgets. Replace the pads is a phrase rich in meaning and application, stretching from personal hygiene to high-tech maintenance. Remember, understanding the context is the key to unlocking the right interpretation. We hope this video shed light on this versatile phrase and added a new layer to your English comprehension. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.